Okay, so today, though, we're going to talk about Hanukkah, okay, which happens, the first day of Hanukkah is Tuesday, December 20th. But it starts at sundown, when the sun goes all the way down. That's the beginning of a day in the Jewish calendar. And one of the really fun things that we do at Hanukkah is we light candles in a menorah. And most of you have heard of this. I see one beautiful one. This is a kid menorah. You know what? Menorahs can be big, they can be small, they can be made out of wood, they can be made out of plastic, or ceramics and glass. But there's somebody missing on this menorah.
The shaman.
The shaman, right, who sits right smack dab in the middle. Sophie, can you tell me what the shaman does?
There's the,
what does it do to, in this case, what does
it lights most of, it lights all the candles and
you're exactly right. It lights all of the other candles. I like to call it the helper candle because it helps all the other candles get lit.
Does it help itself get lit?
How do you think it gets lit, Alyssa? By a person. You're right. But the menorah is really a symbol, and we'll talk about what a symbol is in a minute, of they lit their oil lamps. An amazing thing happened. Who knows how many nights that oil lasted for? Emerson, do you know how many? 8 nights. So when we look at a menorah, let's count and see how many little candle places there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So this is somewhat of a symbol for what happened on that very special time and place when the oil lasted for 8 nights. But now there's this 9th guy here, the shaman, right? So let's put our math thinking caps on. Can you put your math thinking caps on? Let's pretend it's the very first night of Hanukkah. Okay? Actually, we start on the opposite. If we were reading, we start from this side, don't we? But when we light candles, we start over here. So, the dreidels come in all, it's smaller? Right. Some are small. Is it made out of the same material?
No. Ours are wooden.
Oh, is yours more like the Schindler found your other ones? Okay, so it's made out of wood. Does it look like, I have a wooden one. Does it look like this?
No.
No, but this is a wooden dreidel. It's a dreidel. That's also.
Oh, it doesn't look like that. It's a yo-yo. It looks like a yo-yo.
It's a dreidel yo-yo. Look, it has all 4 symbols on the side, just like the dreidels do. Is this kind of a dreidel?
No.
Yeah, kind of. And is this a dreidel?
Yeah.
Is it the same?
No.
But it's got the same purpose. It's to play the dreidel game.
That's a yo-yo.
All right, hold on.
That's a dreidel game.
Is that a dreidel? It doesn't look, but look on the top, if you look really carefully, it has all the symbols also. Do they look the same?
No.
But they're both dreidels, aren't they? Let's see what else we can find in here.
Why did you take a dreidel out? No. Oh, that's like that one. That's like those little wooden ones. Yeah.
Is this the real dreidel?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? They're all the real dreidels. You think this is the real one? How come?
Because it
looks like what you have. Oh my gosh, is this a beautiful diversity lesson? It's because it's what you know. You know this has a dreidel, don't you?
Yeah.
But you know what? I know this is a dreidel. So to me, this one was very different. This is what I was used to. I know, doesn't that seem silly and funny?
Yeah, that looks like a real dreidel.
I know, but you know what? They're both real dreidels. They're just different. Just like Sophie celebrates Hanukkah and Emerson celebrates Christmas. Okay? They're different, but they're kind of the same. They're both holidays,
Christmas and Hanukkah, they are both in winter.
They are both in the winter time. And you know what else is very similar about these two holidays and truly about most holidays?
What?
It's about family.
Oh, yes.
It's about caring for people.
Yeah.
Right? It's about spending time with the people who we love and care about. And it's also about sharing. Sharing stories, sharing nice deeds. Who knows what a nice deed is? That's a new concept. Kelly, do you know what a deed is? Absolutely. A good deed is to help somebody. In the lower school, and I don't know if you did it here in Moncrief or not, the girls were collecting pajamas for children who...
We were taking pajamas. Who didn't have any.
Exactly. Exactly. That's a good deed.
Give them a
Right. And holidays often talk about sharing, doing good deeds, being kind.
Me too. Ooh, look.
Oh yeah, that was good. Oh, I got done.
You got everything.
That's what Alice got before. And everybody has to put it in the pot.
Are you serious? You got gimme.
She did. Thank you so much.
Just 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what's your turn?